Guys, it's T Marie. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you are a subscriber. On this channel, we talk about everything beauty and lifestyle. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I make a new upload. So let's get to it. Your girl has secured the bag, okay? Yes, that bag. We have secured the Telfar bag, and I want to tell you guys all about this bag. I want you guys to see it, and I want to talk about some of the pros and cons. As you may know, if you have been keeping your eye on Telfar's Instagram page like I have, you're like, okay, this is a statement bag. Like this bag right here. Yes, it's okay. It is so hard to get your hands on the bag. I had signed up for their email list, so I'm notified like whenever new bags drop. When I tell you they sell out in minutes, like I'm like, I don't know when I'm gonna get one. What I did was they had the bag security program, so I went online and selected my bag, paid for it. They make the bag as it's being ordered, so it took 6 months before the bag got to me. Yes, I know it seems like such a long time, right? You've got to have patience, and when you get the bag, it's gonna be so worth it. Let's get into details of this bag. This beauty, I haven't named her yet, but this is the medium tan Telfar bag. So cute. The front, I'll show you the back. Move the straps out of the way. Back. Okay. So cute. She is so cute. Now I want to get into the pros of the bag. One thing that I love about this bag is the craftsmanship, okay? It's amazing. I mean, stitching, it's perfect. It's amazing. I love the material, the leather. It's just, oh, it's soft, it's luscious, okay? I'm just gushing over this bag. I also love how this is embossed. Like, it really just pops. I love it. I like that this is, it's a simple bag. There's not much to it, but you know, it's cute. So for the ladies that, you know, just like something, you know, simple, it's pretty roomy, you know, this is for you. Okay, so let's get into the inside of this bag. So another one of my pros, the snap magnetic closure right here. I love that sound. Very spacious. Very, very spacious. Okay, there's lots of room. So, you know, if you're a tote girl, this is your tote. There's also a inside pocket. Just unzipped it for you guys, but it's right here. Let me flip the bag so you can see it a little bit better. So here, inside pocket, look how deep that pocket is. Like my whole hand can go in the pocket, okay? So cute. And then you see the Telfar logo here. Some of my cons about this bag, I wish it had feet on the bottom, so that way when you sit it down on surfaces, like your purse is not directly sitting on the surface. So I would say that. And then my only other con is I wish that this strap was removable. I would love to have the flexibility to, you know, carry it in my hand without these straps just kind of hanging there or having to tuck them inside the bag. or, you know, just wear it as, you know, a shoulder or as a crossbody. I do like the versatility of being able to, you know, kind of wear it how you want to wear it, or depending on what you're wearing or where you're going, etc. When I wear this bag, I find myself, you know, I have all of my stuff just thrown in here, and I'm trying to look, and I'm digging and I'm digging and I'm digging, and you know, it's a lot. It's a lot for your girl, okay? For those of you interested in this bag, or you know, perhaps if you have, you know, another type of tote and you have the same issue that I'm talking about, I have a solution for you. Solution? Bam. Ooh. Ah. Ah. I'm so extra sometimes. It's okay. But it's a bag or purse organizer. This saves my freaking life, okay? Look at all these compartments. You can put stuff here. There's a really large one here, 3 small ones here, large ones, 2 small ones, an inside zipper. There's even a pocket tucked away here, and there's 3 here, and then a little little thingy, whatever, I don't know what you call this. But anyway, I use it to clip my keys on, so that way I always know where they are. Love it, right? Another thing that I really like about this is that, let's just say you don't like all of these compartments. You want, you know, free space. This middle piece here, it's velcroed in, but if you pull the velcro, right, pull the other side, the middle piece, it comes out. Here's the velcro right here. It's very secure when it's in there. Then you have less compartments, but you have a big open space that you can put things in. You can either put all of your, you know, stuff directly in here and then put it in your bag, or you can put it in your bag and then just like fill it, you know, with everything that you need. Demonstration. I'm sorry, I love this thing so much. I gotta talk about it. I just have to. Like, if I don't tell y'all about it, who's gonna tell y'all about it, okay? Since the sides of the bag here are pinched, they come in like this, you're gonna have to pinch this as it slides in, if that makes sense, right? So we got that, slides right in there, perfect fit, super snug. So here it is inside the bag, okay? Super snug. You can organize everything that you need, all of your essentials. Put it in there just so you guys can kind of see how that looks as well. But it's super easy. So I'm just gonna take out the little thingy just so it kind of hangs, but just so you can see with the insert what it looks like. If you're like me, I am obsessed with keeping the shape of my bag. So with this insert, it keeps the shape of your bag. It's not going to collapse or fold. It's always going to be shaped to your bag. So you can keep this in here even when you're not using the bag at the time to keep the shape. The size of this organizer that fits exactly snug and everything with the Telfar bag is the slender large. I did link the organizer in the bio, so definitely click on that if you are interested. I mean, there's so many colors to choose from. I just tried to choose a brown that was as close as possible to this bag. So don't say that T. Marie did not put you on the T, okay? So overall, I love this bag. It is so cute. It is truly a statement piece. Like, when I wear it, people are definitely noticing, like, oh, that's a Telfar bag, or, you know, how did you even get your hands on it? Sis, I'm telling you how to get your hands on one, okay? So when we say bag secured, she's secured, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be back with another video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.